So what's generally considered, oh, it's flat calm, and just to show it's not quite flat calm, I'll put the helm over gently, so, and turning to port, and swapping hands, and putting the helm over slowly, turning to starboard. So my water speed is about half a knot. You can see the rate of turn there. So there's enough wind there for me to actually sail very gently. And again, helm is going hard over to the starboard, so we're turning to port. And yet, there hopefully you can see the seed. I'm going past it, probably not, maybe. You definitely don't want to be rocking the boat, you want to be nice and smooth, very gentle on the controls. And there's a wee wake, hopefully that shows up. Right. It really doesn't like stopping.